What is up, guys? Welcome to the Flaming Faro, and today I'm going to be starting a new playlist called Minecraft Redstone Guide. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah! So today, in my best world, it's called Master Builder Land. Take a look. It's amazing and it's cool. So today, I am going to be showing you how you can make a secret base with redstone furnace entrance. So let's first of all find a good spot. This is where the spot is. Welcome to Drew's Monster Building Land. Drew's my real name. Never call me that because I'm Flaming Fire. So let's get to work. So first we are going to grab a furnace, a redstone comparator, repeater, redstone torch, and sticky piston wish grass block. So here's how it's gonna work. So you're gonna place the furnace down. You're gonna put a comparator with the little tip that I just lit up behind it. Then you're going to add a redstone repeater, some redstone, more redstone, a redstone torch. Oh no, wait, we can't put the torch right there. Oh, don't mind that. Okay, right here. And then we are going to place sticky piston. Wait. Yeah, there we go. So next we're gonna hide with now look. So here's the cool thing. When you put, let's say my my diamond boots in there. Cool, right? Look, okay, so take the diamond boots out, and it closes. So now we're going to cover up the redstone so that nobody knows how the heck we did this. This is just between you and me and the other viewers who are probably watching this. I always do this. It's just like my logo move. Oh my god. And then prescription. Die, tree. Bye. Alright. It's gonna give it away that something's been built here. Here we go. Now watch this. There you go. So that is how you can make the secret entrance to your Minecraft base. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you later. Bye.